Oi, tudo bem? Today I'm gonna teach you how to say where in Portuguese. In Portuguese, there are two ways to say where. Onde and aonde. But what exactly is the difference between them? The fact is that even Brazilians get confused between those words and often use them interchangeably. But let's take a look how to use these words properly. How to use onde. The word onde is a direct translation of the word where in English. It is used to indicate location and should not be used with verbs that indicate motion or movement. Most of the time, you see the word onde used with the verb estar or ficar, which is the verb to be. So let's take a look at some examples. Onde está o celular? Where is the phone? So if you want to ask where is the phone, you can say onde está o celular? Onde está o celular? Or if you want to ask where the bathroom is, you can also say onde fica o banheiro? Or onde está o banheiro? To ask where do you live, you can say onde você mora? Onde você mora? And to ask where do you keep the snacks, you can say onde você guarda as guloseimas? Onde você guarda as guloseimas? And if you're new in Rio and don't know where the Ipanema station is, you can ask onde fica a estação de Ipanema? Onde fica a estação de Ipanema? And now, let's take a look at how to use aonde. The word aonde is a combination of onde with the preposition a, meaning to. Therefore, aonde can be translated as to where. And the word aonde is used with verbs that indicate movement, such as ir, to go, vir, to come, and chegar, to arrive. So let's see some examples. So if you want to ask someone where are they going, you can ask aonde você vai? Aonde você vai? Or if you want to ask where did you go, you can ask aonde você foi? Aonde você foi? Aonde você foi ontem? Aonde você foi ontem? But we also have a word that we mainly use when we want to ask where something is. This word is cadê? Cadê? This is another way of asking where is something, and that's used exclusively in Brazil. We can use it in place of saying onde está something. So let's see some examples. So if you want to ask where are the keys, you can ask cadê as chaves? Cadê as chaves? Or onde está as chaves? If you want to ask where the car is, you can ask cadê o carro? Cadê o carro? Or onde está o carro? Onde está o carro? And if you want to ask where your friends are, you can ask cadê os seus amigos? Cadê os seus amigos? Or onde estão os seus amigos? Onde estão os seus amigos? When using the word cadê, we don't need to use the verb to be along with it. So you can just say the word cadê plus the noun. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.